For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign out of Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about different Latin roots. Today, you will be playing a game just like memory. It's called concentration. Let's read through the directions together. Number 1, click and drag the yellow game piece to reveal a word. Number 2, read the word and then move another yellow game piece to reveal another word. If both words shown have the same Latin root, then you type the matching words into the chart on the right. When all words have been revealed, matched, and typed, you may click Submit Assignment to your teacher. You've played this game before this year. Let's take a look. I'm going to go ahead and click one of my game pieces and reveal the word spectacle. Now, I need to find another word that has the same Latin or root word of spect. I'm going to click and drag this one and see what we get. I have found a match. Inspect and spectacle have the same Latin root of spect, S-P-E-C-T. So I'll come over to where it says match 1, click in the box, and type one of the words, inspect. That's 1. And my matching word to inspect is spectacle, S-P-E-C-T-A-C-L-E. Make sure you spell them correctly. After you revealed all of your words and found the correct matches, you need to type them all into this chart. Once this chart is filled and it shows each match on each row, click Submit Assignment to your teacher.